Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to upgrade your Wix website and make it truly stand out, today's tutorial is perfect for you. We're diving deep into the brand new Wix editor for 2022, specifically focusing on the all-new Sections element. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use Sections to organize your content, add beautiful design touches, and create a really polished, modern-looking site, even if you're brand new to Wix. Let's get hands-on right away. So, as soon as you open the new Wix editor, direct your attention over to the edge of your page. Usually, you'll see a subtle little Sections corner that appears as you move your mouse over different parts of the site layout. Hover your mouse over there. This is where the magic starts. As you hover, a button labeled Add Section will pop up. Go ahead and click it. Now, this is the heart of Wix's latest update. With Sections, you have way more control and flexibility on how each part of your website looks and functions. The first thing you'll notice after clicking Add Section is that you're offered three choices. You can add a designed section, a grid layout, or start with just a simple element. Let's walk through each option together so you can get a feel for how they work. First, let's start with a designed section. Think of a designed section as a fully decorated room in your house. The furniture's already in place, and all you need to do is move in your things. Wix gives you a bunch of pre-made designs here, which is fantastic if you want your site to look professional without spending hours customizing every detail. Browse through the designs, pick one that matches your vibe, and click to add it. You'll see that the section drops onto your page, complete with its own layout, colors, and sometimes placeholder images or text. Don't worry, you can always swap out content later, but this is an amazing way to give your site an instant visual boost. Next up is the grid layout option. If you like a little more control, or you want to structure your content in a more customized way, this is where grids shine. Selecting a grid lets you decide how many columns or rows you want inside your section, which is great for things like team member profiles, portfolios, or product displays. Just add the grid, adjust the numbers and spacing if you like, and you'll have a neat framework to drop your content into. Think of this step as setting up shelves in your closet. You decide exactly where things go, so everything fits just right. Finally, there's the option to add just a single element. Let's say, for instance, a text box. This route is perfect when you only want to add a headline, a call to action, or a quick note in between larger sections of your site. Go ahead and add a text element, then type in your message. You'll see it lands right inside your new section. It's totally okay if you're not sure exactly how you want everything to look at first. Wix's editor makes it easy to move things around, resize, and adjust later. Now, a quick note on why organizing with sections is such a game changer. Breaking your site up into clear, manageable sections not only makes editing easier for you, but it also creates a really smooth browsing experience for your visitors. It's like turning a long, cluttered list into clear chapters of a book. Each section gets to shine, and viewers know exactly what each area is about. Take your time exploring and customizing each section. Don't worry if you need to experiment. It's all a part of the creative process, and sections really do make tweaking and perfecting your site much simpler than before. And that's it. You're now equipped to experiment with the new Sections element inside the latest Wix editor. If you found this helpful or you ran into any snags along the way, drop your questions or thoughts in the comments below, and I'll be happy to help out. Don't forget to like the video, and if you want more tutorials just like this, make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next one.